Whatever. Mikey! Oh, what did you go catch it? Mikey! But I'm not doing go back. Mikey! Oh, catch it. I'm a hurry. Again. Allow him. And that's why. Oh, bien.
Sumina, what brings you here?
Or therefore, Nyankwada. Jembre kukua, upia frisiema, nesi egire. Ahimye fatao. Wahimye no, ebinsi da. Piao, nana, oyo brimpomu. Nana no mchirao, no ma Nyankwada.
Sumina, Mother Nature, I've heard your prayers. May you be blessed.
Nana piao, or therefore.
Now, what's your mission here?
Or therefore, when we bomb baso, na woman me to me say, it will be bokuru who buy, and what to a giant, a dear mamma, and I'm a giant suntino, me sacomano, if he said me the corner you ha, and anti moa, and a copy assassin so. Na assassino, you say, and you hope a big also. Na assassino, me think what about cause him da. Na assassino sono. Just say, a young woman, which you say, and near my was no. I bet you near be a bois you crew. Na assassin walk a tiffy from her. Na a bang, Yanni, Kitonga, a she and so Hon assassin. To therefore, we do mean for him town. Or some eternity chill. Now we do 2 minutes of her assassin. And I say, a crabby of a fast walk, whatever bois or mine, what your boy. Or therefore, Nyankwada.
Sumina, do you know some jokes are very, very, very expensive?
Or therefore, dear, me to be a diagro. Me to be a menama, minimum Fred diagro. Menim panyini diagro, menim ma diagro. Nanso wo wonim de, whatever, misuro. Hey, whatever misuro. Misuro sem ba betwa nto wo wanim. Whatever, asem ya meken, me wonyina so. Se wo kohwe asase no, anato wo to bi ma ne kohwe. Na se me, entro na me dia. Me Dimitri e betwa so. Sumina. Whatever. Amari.
Again. I need my queen and my heirs here now.
Right back in. But therefore, it me yes, sir. It you can throw in
Sumina, stand up. Sumina.
But therefore.
Now, my elders and my queen are here. I want you to vividly carry them what you told me now.
Therefore, me do see. And I know mama shia wa ha. Me do bi biara see. Munim se ni city e okrom ha. Se me nye obi a ye basa. Ana se me twa ntro e kire obi. Empanyini jimidi, ofra jividi. Therefore, wa na obo ame. Ena obo mabaso. Ena ka kire me se ekrom ha. Ni ami mokuru hu ban. Ena oto agyan na ode maame. Se mididi eho. Na me mfa mokuru yi so hu ban. Therefore, anantie mu a. Me yesa me kwa ahayo. Me ninamu a. Ena me ko hunu se asase bi ewo ho. Ena me so no. Therefore, unti ena me ti baabi. Asase na me ko hunu ye no. Itu se asase a srade ene wo ahyemu ma. Ah, ebetu aboa yen. Impuntu. Ene enkanko. Ena aboa kokosachi. Ofade ya wode kire. Enti no, na mintimi fansie na bosam beda na di ema mpanyimfo muhu na musom na asase no ekwan ya mode befa so a ebeboa yi nyina no se chichiri kuro na mko kwa chichiri wo se kwa be na befa so o ende e wo mo ankasa mo timba jo sa na tie asase ne no kure simako hu
Sumina.
Naima.
Have you ever witnessed this myth before? A new land from the space, I guess. This is a fairy tale.
Naima. Mintim chantro mpanyimfo adim. Mintim chantro. Hwe me yobia mo amuni mi dada e wa hemfia. Wahu. Kuntun kuni kunkun ma free pata to kro ma tehwe ye. Eno buza asase wo yetra. Nanso asase senke yatem didie. Ebi se hwe se wo yetra na wo sa we buza se wo yetra. Yatem didie. Nanso so no asase anso so. Abogo ntromfi o se ni suman ni nani. Etu odafo se betumi a wadama yimpanyimfo ka me ho na me nko kire o mabia asase ne da.
My elders, do you believe this story? I'm asking you a question, answer me! Do you believe this story?
No, my king.
Sumina. How yes someone has caught you to check if it is true or not. Amari,
I can't.
go with him now.
Trust you.
Amari,
Okay.
I sent you to escort Sumina to check if it is true or not. So I'm asking you, is it true or false?
My king, it's true.
It is true. Sumina, you are very, very, very lucky. Very, very lucky. True. Now, Amari, go to Emka. Tell her that I can timber. I need explanation in 3 days' time. Now, go.
All right, my king.
Go. Go. In 3 days' time, I need explanation.
Who are you and what is your name?
Who am I is not all that important, and my name is not needed for now.
Okay. So why did you call me?
I have a special gift for you.
A gift?
Yes.
Okay.
You see, you are very beautiful.
Thank you.
Very intelligent. But you know what? Promise me you are not going to show it to anyone.
I don't promise.
Promise.
Okay, I promise.
Not even your mom. Okay?
Okay.
So what's your name?
My name is Zuri.
Zuri.
Yes.
Don't show it to anyone, Zuri.
Hey, Zuri! What are you doing here? Come, let's go. King Tamba, the signal nature is sending. It's not friendly. War is approaching. But this time around, it involved the kids.
The girls must be crazy. How dare you say such rubbish? Emka, one more stupid statement for you, and I swear I will release the beast in me.
Sit it down! Sit it down, Anika! Sit it down! Sit it down, Anika! Sit it down! Have you realized my presence? Do you respect the fact that I am your king, Temba? Sit it down!
I'm sorry.
Sit it down! Proceed, Anka.
Children around the age of 6 to 20 must be seized and prepare for war.
The gods must be crazy indeed. Where on earth have you ever seen this ugly thing before?
Anka, I want you to shut up. Shut up! We arrange a different meeting with the ghosts. Maybe they made a mistake. A big mistake.
The gods do not speak twice. They are immortal. They do not make a mistake.
They are making a very big mistake, Emka.
Emka, I will discuss this with my elders. If anything, I will let you hear. Now, you can go. Thank you. I will discuss with them. I will let you hear.
I had a talk with my uncle yesterday, and he said that Emka says the mystery land is having a great treasure, and whoever gets it become the greatest kingdom to ever exist.
A great treasure. Wow. Then I think the nature God gifted it to us. So what's the next step?
I don't know, but the information reaching us is the Gitonga kingdom is also claiming ownership of the mystery land.
Claiming ownership.
And the omens approaching is not friendly.
War, I guess.
My elders, I gave each and every one 3 days to have a thought about this situation. May I hear from you your final decisions?
Please, my king, let's apply sense of logic in this and see if this mystery land makes some sense. These kids are our future. How can a disaster be so lucid to you and yet embrace it? I, Queen Anika, doesn't support such nonsensical acts.
I don't support either. This will be the very beginning of our end.
Shut up, Liaboya. What do you know? For once, do you think about the future of this kingdom?
This is my final decision. Bariga kingdom can only be great if you become the owner of the mystery land.
No, Kentamba. Do not make this mistake. You will be a disappointment to our sisters.
You think about today? Who's me? I, Kentamba. I think about the century. Our life depends on talent. Amari.
I can.
Seize every child around 6 to 20. Train them to become warriors. And let them be ready in the next decade.
All right, my king.
Kentamba. Trust me. You are making a very big mistake.
There comes a man who couldn't keep his mouth when trouble was very loosey to him.
Tie, efua. Ensem briba wo kan. Yese bia menti yo. Akepa. Ahede no mabu enu agu masum. Amenka sam kiro. Sani mo ya wo ye no. Wo hwe ye a. Na adame sori se me to so wire no. Obehu. Fere ko tie. Sase wesi. Nka bi nkire me bio. Ate di America.
Mekoso ahaw. Akosi se obaji atum se wo na ma we nyina aba.
Hwe efua. Etimi yiri boboni ni. Se adia ehia na makohu na maka kire oman hene. Eye boni ni maye. Me boni maye ni. Ekroye ewo mu ni da chinti. Ena mami ye saade no. Ena mami ko hu asase na me bona na amane. Me yiwu ya maye boni.
Ko ben da achi. Se nkola no mu wu a, kro ne da achi we hefa. Se nkola ni wu a, kro ne da achi we hefa ka kire me.
Hwe, tie. E kan smart no. E free recross asase mu si. E kan bi nchambio ati dem ka tro.
Wa na wa ma we nyina aba. Wa na wa ye ma we nyina aba.
Asem twa to no maka kire ho. E di ma wie. Aden, edi ba din ko na woje. Mi ho fase no no. Ena ma fa no, ena mdi ni na ma kire ha ya. Boni ba ni ma ye.
Zora, o fase mo kwani.
No adam na ba fram se na na cha de amankura. Nti an kwana mkwaji.
Ofa. E mami hu so woni ni di agro kra biem. Me mpesa, please. She's the only family I have. Please. Besen yanko dem.
Mi ngasa wo fase.
Hey, obwa, omo je hwe. Ka besen.
Obwa. Enko.
Ofa me pede ayen.